Hey guys, Nate Duck here, and welcome to Catawba Falls and Old Fort, North Carolina. Now for today's video, we're going to check out the river trail. Now it's a pretty cool looking trail. It's about a mile long, and at the end of it, it's the bottom of the falls, and the falls themselves just reopened this past, I think it was this past May, because it was closed for 2 years, so they can put in new steps. Sounds really awesome. Let's check it out. Really easy trail so far. Now, the only information I could find on this was that it was built around like 1920. I don't know the backstory on this. Here's a better shot of that building. It's about quarter till noon on Friday, and the parking lot is slam full. There's literally like 60 cars here. So if you're going to get here early. This trail was closed off for like 2 years so they could put in boardwalks and like 500 and something steps, because people kept on like climbing up to the main falls up above, but they kept on falling, and there were serious injuries and deaths, and it took rescuers several hours to get to them. But now it only takes rescuers like 20 minutes to get to people who get hurt. And we are almost to the falls. See you there. Not the official waterfall, but still awesome. Guys, please don't be stupid. That's a long way down. Okay guys, I already went up like 30 steps. There's like literally 500 to go, so I'm only going to do the bottom part for the rest of the video. Not going to do the outro because I'm worn out. Holy crap, this has been a long one. And I've only hiked a mile to get here. Here it is, Catawba Falls, or the bottom of it at least. I would go to the top, but unfortunately it has 500-foot climb. I am not going up 500 steps. If I did that, they would have to literally carry me out. Oh boy, this was a rough one.